Welcome everybody. My name's Carol and I have a YouTube channel called Carol's Art Room. I'm not there right now, but anyway, today's video is going to be a swipe and swirl. And I'm going to swipe on a heart, a wooden heart. And the reason I'm doing a wooden heart today is because our small town near our cottage, the food store burnt down last year. So we're all very sad about that, and they've put a big fence up and the lot's empty. They are going to rebuild, but the big fence is there and it doesn't look very nice. So we're going to decorate the fence with these wooden hearts. So someone in the town donated the wooden hearts to anyone who wants to paint them. So I took a few and I did one, and my grandchildren have done one. So yeah, we're going to decorate the fence. I can't wait to see it. I'll post a picture. So today I'm doing one. So stick around and come see how it goes. Hi everyone. Okay, I'm going to do my heart. I just scraped one. And the reason I'm doing a heart today is to decorate a fence in our local small town, to decorate a fence that there was a fire in the grocery store and it burned down. Now it's an empty lot with a chain link fence around it. So someone in the community has donated hearts for people to paint, and we're going to paint them. They're going to varnish them and they're going to hang them all over the fence. So I'm going to do a swipe for that. And I just hope it turns out okay. I just scraped one that I didn't like, so I'm going to try another one. So I'm going to pour my white house paint on here. It's probably too much paint, but last one I did, I used black cell activator. I'm going to use the white this time. Give it a good stir before you use it. It's Amsterdam white and Australian Floetrol. All right. Debating which way to go. I think I'll stick with what I did before. I don't know what happened with the black cell activator. It just didn't seem to work as well as my sample did. That's okay. The white looks nice too. These darker colors. That is Windsor Violet by Winsor Newton. And this is red. I don't know. I made this up a while ago and I didn't mark it. Could be Amsterdam. Put some orange. This is Azo Orange by Amsterdam. Maybe I didn't have enough color thickness or something. I don't know what it was, but it came out a lot of white cells. Which I don't want all white cells. I want color. Color, color. Okay, this is oh my god. This name went out of my head again. It's a DECO Art Violet. Lavender Frost, that's what it is. Yellow, I didn't do any yellow. Should have done the darker colors on the top. I'll put some more. I'll put some more Winsor Violet on the top. Right, so I'm going to use my bigger one this time. No, you know what? I'll use my medium, I think. That way I can do more. My white cell activator on here. Pull the paint. That's pretty. And sometimes cell activator can get old. My black might have been a little on the older side. The white is fairly new. Oh, it's all white there. What happened there? Whoa. Oh, that's a pretty one. I can always go over that area. That's nice. Whoa. Oh, there's a hint there of color. I like to clean my palette knife off after. One day I'm going to try it without doing that and see what I get. But it's clean and crisp. Now I need, oh, here's one. I'm going to take a smaller one and go there. And do this one again. That's really pretty. Now, I think I'm going to go over this little piece a bit. Just going to put a little bit of paint here. There. So I think I'm going to give it a spin. Wow, there's a lot of paint pouring off here. So I'm going to go this way first. I'll go the other way. And I don't think I'm going to spin it anymore. So I got to do my swirlies. Bright, cheery, colorful, and I don't know, but that center, the swirls of the little, looks like roses or whatever, it just makes the whole piece jump right out. It looks gorgeous. It changes the whole effect from okay to beautiful. There. better not spin it because then it'll make the circles. If you spin it after you do that, your circles might go a little wonky. So I'm done. So this will be bright and cheery for the fence. There. I'm glad you came by for this one and enjoyed it. Enjoyed my little story. So thanks for coming, and please subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the bell for notifications. You'll be notified when I do a new video. And like, comment below. Let me know what you think. I'll hold it up. Pretty pretty. Thank you. Bye-bye. Hi everyone. Here's my dried heart. Oh, it's almost dry. The middle's just a little bit tacky still. This is all dry here. Look how pretty those cells are. So crisp. There you go. There's my dried heart. Thanks for watching, and come back to Carol's Art Room. Bye-bye.